some of the juice flowing out. Everybody seems to love Kala Jamun and Gulab Jamun, and I have shown some of the recipes, but many have been insisting, why don't you show very simple with milk powder and maida. So today the recipe is that very simple. Today we are going to learn how to make this Gulab Jamun. What you buy in the market, you can make it at home very easily. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef, and today we are going to make those lovely Kala Jamun and Gulab Jamun with a very simple mix what you can make it at home. Here I have got milk powder. Milk powder is just 100 grams, 200 grams of maida. When you add the soda, 3 grams, that is just like a pinch. Just make sure you mix all of this well. Just mix one time like this and again get everything together. Mix like this and get everything together. In this, always add pinch of salt. The salt will give a very nice taste for your Gulab Jamun. So here, around 20 to 25 grams of ghee you can add to this mixture. Here is the technique where a lot of people can go wrong. So first thing is we are going to do the short crust method. The short crust method means just mix the ghee along with this flour and with your fingers, because you do not want any lump of ghee anywhere. Just mix very thoroughly. This will start looking like that Gulab Jamun mix what you buy in the market. To this you can add milk, you can add water and make this into a soft dough. You are not going to knead it. If you knead it, you are going to mess this up. So just make this into a nice soft dough. Just I am going to mix all of this into one mixture and let it rest for at least 10 minutes so that all the moisture is absorbed by the dry ingredients. In the meanwhile, I am going to show you how to make sugar syrup. This also do not add too much water. So let's say I am taking around 3 cups of sugar here. In that, just 1.5 cup of water should be good enough. So this will give you the right syrup for our Gulab Jamun. A little bit of 1 or 2 drops of lime juice will make your sugar syrup perfect. Squeeze in just few drops of lime juice in there and make sure that the sugar melts thoroughly. Look at the mixture. We have not kneaded it much. So the technique is when you pull it, it has to break away. Knead the dough too much, this will not break like this. Mix this little bit and then we will make the Gulab Jamun. The best way to make the Gulab Jamun, cut it into small pieces. I am going to make small Gulab Jamuns because of the soda. Anyway, these Gulab Jamuns will swell up little bit. Rest of the mixture, we are going to use it to make our Kala Jamun. Whenever you take this in your hand, press it hard and then slowly release it. Do it fast and you will have a nice and smooth texture. You will not see any broken texture or anything. Just make them round, put it on a plate and later we are going to fry them. Whenever you are frying, make sure the oil is rotating like this. So when you drop the Gulab Jamun, they will not go and stick at the bottom. Similarly, we are going to drop all the Gulab Jamuns and we are going to let them fry. Once they sit at the bottom, they will get slight coloring, not a big deal. But whenever you are rotating, do not touch the jamuns. Just move the oil. Continuously keep mixing. Once they get slight color, then your spoon can touch the jamuns. Now once you have this perfect color, then we are going to put this in the sugar syrup, and the Gulab Jamun, when they soak in the sugar syrup, that is when they get that awesome shine. Get these Gulab Jamuns, put it in the syrup and let them soak all the juices. When they soak in all the juices, they go and settle down and the jamuns will be perfect. In the sugar syrup or even in the mixture, you can add some cardamom powder. Let it mix away and that should give very nice flavor. Another thing is, a lot of people add some rose essence. So if you want to add some rose essence rose water, you can add a little bit. That will make your Gulab Jamun very, very tasty. For making the Kala Jamun, I am going to take a small portion of the mixture. In this mixture, I am going to add some of the cardamom powder, some badam. You can add nuts or anything you want in the pista, a little bit. And in this, I am going to add some saffron water. Mix this. We are going to use this as a stuffing for the Kala Jamun. I added a little bit of sugar into the center stuffing, and now these are ready to go into the bigger pieces of the jamun. So take each piece, take the stuffing inside, just make sure you put this well inside. Then again the same thing the way we did the gulab jamun, but since this is bigger, it is going to be slightly different. And make first into a round and then make it flat, make it round. This is ready. Look at this, how nice and smooth they become. Your kala jamun will be done. On the low heat, keep rotating the oil and drop one after another. They may sit at one place, but just push them away with the flow of the oil. These ones are going to be our kala jamuns. That means they have to be fried till they are nice and dark. The technique in the kala jamun is you got to get the dark color on a slow heat so that inside everything is cooked. The sugar what we added, the inside stuffing, that will come outside. It will help them get nice dark color. Fry them till you get a nice dark color and then put it in the sugar syrup. Same thing, drop the kala jamuns also in the syrup and they will become perfect. The gulab jamuns have soaked very well and let's get them out. Look at them, they come out so nice, shiny and perfect. Who doesn't like gulab jamuns? They are nice, soft and juicy. Make these gulab jamuns and kala jamun and you will enjoy it thoroughly. And every time, gulab jamun can be had in one bite, but the kala jamun, they are quite big with some of the juice flowing out. And inside is all that beautiful color and look at them, how nice and perfect. Dear friends, very easy to make with milk powder and all-purpose flour at home. Make these gulab jamuns. When you eat the best of the best, keep saying Vareva. Wow magic with Chef Mani.